welcome back to Fisher Auto in Boulder, Colorado.
How's it going?
Here with my good man, Justin. You remember me, Tyler. On this segment, folks, we're going to talk about winter preparedness, or we call it having an emergency kit for the winter time. All right, so we're going to go through what we recommend to have you in that place in that kit, and some do's and don'ts and those kinds of things. Because if you look behind us, the trees are turning. They're getting yellow, so sooner than later, we're definitely going to get some sunshine. I mean, some snow here.
Yeah, right.
And we'll go from there. All right, take it away, my good man.
All right, so what we recommend as far as an emergency kit goes, you're going to want to get yourself a little tote, maybe from Home Depot or something like that, something with a lid. What I personally recommend as far as a preparedness kit is you're going to want to make sure you have some water, obviously, maybe some non-perishable, something like trail mix, something like that. You want to have that in there. You want to have maybe a couple of, what do they call them, astronaut blankets, the ones that unfold, maybe an extra pair or two of socks. If you have some sort of snow pants or something like that, you're going to want to pack those in there too. And if you don't think you're going to be wearing snow boots, I would recommend to put a pair in there, because if you have to walk around your car, icy, snowy, wet, etc., you want to have an extra pair of shoes in there. Also, a couple other things that you might want to do, especially if you're going to the mountains. You're going to want to make sure you have a foldable shovel that can help dig yourself out. There's some things out there such as portable jump boxes that you can buy to get them a full charge in there, and you can set that in there as well. They're pretty small. Also, with all of these tech people nowadays, everybody's got to have their phone. They sell power blocks that you can get, and I would recommend getting one and having it fully charged up. Have it back there, that way you can charge your phone if you have to make a phone call or something like that. As far as heat sources go, I would not recommend running any sort of what do they call them, foot heaters or anything like that in your car. Those can create carbon monoxide, and that could be a big issue. And then obviously don't burn anything in your car to keep warm. If you get those astronaut blankets, coats, jackets and stuff, you should be okay until somebody can get out there and help you out. The big thing though is make sure that it stays nice and packed in there and your water doesn't freeze. You'd hate to open that up and your water's frozen, so I would wrap that water up in a jacket or a blanket or something like that to keep it from freezing. So those are just some of the things we recommend, all based on your personal habits, whatever you think you're gonna need, and also plan for a couple of days at least. Obviously you're not gonna be out there for a couple of days, but it's better to be over-prepared than under-prepared. So if you have any questions, you can always give us a call here at Fisher Auto. We'd be happy to take your calls and give you some more information. So.
Good job. Yeah, that's very awesome. You never want to be in that situation for sure, but it's good to know and to have that stuff ready to go, especially in our Colorado weather, mountains and other areas that you might be up skiing or what have you. So hope that's helpful, and we're going to be back with some other goodies here very soon. So take care. Bye-bye.